All right, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I'm back at it again with another exciting race for you guys here tonight. And let me first welcome back the 2021 Shelby GT500. Now, last time you guys saw this car on the channel, it raced up against a bolt-on E85 TTRS. Now, just a little recap. This car just has an upgraded intake with no tune. So this car is probably going to be making somewhere close to 700 wheel. And these are heavy cars. They weigh around 4,200 pounds. And he's going to be running up against a BMW 340i. Now this car is tastefully modded. Now you can't see much under the hood, but I can tell you what it's got. He's got an upgraded Pure 800 turbo with open downpipe. And he's with port injection and E85. Now, I don't know how much power he's making, but he's making definitely over 600 horsepower to the wheels. And these cars are significantly lighter. They weigh around 35 to 3,600 pounds. And he does have some tires. He's running on 275 40/17 Mickey Thompson ET Street SS tires. Now, this is not an X-Drive model. Now, he also is on the stock transmission, so he's at the limit. So anyways, so both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. Yeah. All right, guys. So I'm here in the 340. And the first race we're gonna do is from 50 miles an hour.